Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to download Topaz AI on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Topaz AI. Then, open the official Topaz website. Once the website opens, click on Desktop Apps. After that, click on Download. When the download page opens, you'll see different applications such as Topaz Video AI, Topaz Photo AI, and Topaz Gigapixel AI. Choose whichever application you want to download. Then, select your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. That's it. Topaz AI is now installed on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.